Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 Honda Accord. This fit will work on the Accord from 2018 through 2022. We've just installed the Yakima BaseLine base roof rack system. So this system consists of the JetStream load bar, the BaseLine towers, and base slip 123 in the front and 159 in the rear. So it's a no drill insulation that clamps onto the vehicle's roof. Great system for all types of cargo and different gear. Crossbar spacing of 32 inches center to center and an overall weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. So this is just a quick walk around. For more details, pricing, availability, all that good stuff, please click the link in the description below, take you back to our website where you can purchase this whole bundle with just a couple clicks. So that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.